Welcome to letsbuildskill.com. In this course, we will talk about installation of SAP system and post-installation upgrade the newly installed SAP system to the latest available patch, that is nothing but upgrade of SAP system. In this course, we will talk about how you can install a SAP system, what all different prerequisites before you install the SAP system, that is what type of operating systems are supported, what type of SAP nodes that you have to go through before you start the installation, what type of media or what type of installation media that you should download before you start the actual installation, what all different OS settings that has to be applied on the system before you start the tool for installation. We will also discuss about the basic pre-checks, that is which all databases are supported and on top of which SAP can be installed. We will also discuss about different types of SAP installation. That is, one is plain SAP installation, wherein you just install the SAP and then manually start the upgrade of newly installed SAP system. The second approach is how to install SAP with up-to-date installation concept. In up-to-date installation concept, the only difference is you don't have to go for a manual start of the tool for upgrade. A tool that is used for SAP installation will invoke the tool for upgrade and start the upgrade of newly installed SAP system. We will also try to understand how we can troubleshoot different issues that we face during the course of installation, where to check the logs, what all different types of logs are generated at the time of SAP installation. We will also try to understand two concepts here, that is how SAP is installed when we choose SAP S4HANA system. We will also try to install SAP NetWeaver system. What is the difference when we install a SAP NetWeaver system and a SAP S4 system? How the concept differs, we will also try to understand. How we can upgrade S4 system and how we can upgrade SAP NetWeaver system, we will also try to understand. We will also cover what is the difference between SAP Business Suite, SAP NetWeaver system, SAP S4 system, and SAP ERP system. What is EHP? What is different types of business suites like SAP SCM, SAP HR, and other available business suites? How these suites can be merged into one system? We will also try to understand during the course of this installation. Post installation, we will start with the upgrade of newly started SAP system. How you can perform the upgrade with the help of some tool. We will try to cover different phases in SAP Zoom tool, that is pre-processing, processing, post-processing, extraction, configuration, pre-configuration, all these steps. What is shadow system? When the shadow system build at a time of during the processing or pre-processing, how the shadow system builds, what is the concept of shadow system? All these concepts we will try to understand. Also, we will understand what all different functionalities are available to ensure that you can reduce the business downtime of your system. There are different functionalities provided by SAP to reduce the overall business downtime, that is downtime optimized upgrades, near zero downtime upgrades, and zero downtime option of the upgrade. We will also try to understand the migration from non-SAP non-SAP HANA database to HANA database, that is called as a DMO or database migration option. We will also try to understand how SOM logs can be interpreted, where to check the SOM logs, what all different directories are there inside the SUM directories, and how to interpret the results mentioned in the different log files. We we are soon going to start a classes or the lectures for SAP installation and upgrades course. We request you to join a demo lectures that will be scheduled and planned soon. We will let you know the details of a demo lecture, date and time very soon. You, for any questions, you can contact us at info@letsbuildskill.com. And if you like post demo lecture, you can join our course. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day ahead. Bye.